Good morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, another special. And guys, I thank God for the gifts of life. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And right now I'm in Border Town. I'm going to buy hen and also some ingredient on the other side. So today it's a special day to me. Why do you sell for me a power bank? And it's not working great.
When and where?
If it has a warranty, you turn for me money.
Yeah?
Anyway guys, story ajaba. Let me sit the hand here. This is meant for the grade one. Irenga.
Huh? Atakotoka kiangana.
Hiyo kwa naki?
Kuna 300.
Kwani mura? Hii ni kuka 1300. Na hiyo Gambe ndi kimuitango kwa sababu ndatongu changi kiranko ngire. Isi kito 300 mura.
Ile ngokonga.
Sio ni chao.
Asikira tata.
Le mata hano no ni rengu kaguri.
100. Akori ganda kuria ngoko tutokanga kwewera na.
Ai bana mura kawa ni kamera mwana unapandisha ino tukure kora 300 hemra hatu
ni kamera takukora nukugora.
Nuni nkugora.
Kamera nkego. Ile ngokonga bwana. Ile ngokonga.
Unatamba ambarenga para ndatun. Tone nane. Ndatune yigikwe na 200. Isari go correct. Boss. Isari go ko.
Sande neho, unanete.
Net.
Wata trapo imukia hapa. Wata wiwe. No balare na mama pongose.
10 kg rinore ko ngerego.
No niyo, mura niyo. Niyo ka.
Naira.
Na. Diniga.
Maer.
Eno.
Saroko.
Eno. Kino neko. Aja nikufanyie kumoja mbili.
Moja mbili gani? Rota
Kuna mingi.
potezana 800 mbili. 800 nko sasa bene yangu chijana ni kuragera. Ikino moro yuke kukure.
Wale 800 kwelero no awe ajiri 800.
Pondo mutarangu risao kupengana vile huku mamora kikona 200. Kwani leo nimenoka.
Sisi ndio yoni nakubali.
Kwanza hanga ni chaono.
Tari ni cha.
Wewe msanii una ku. Tonango.
Chane
Takora ambiko.
Mubembere seriga tanguri na ninguri. Titenyori tenehan.
Guys, we try to bargain here.
Ini mbuyerenge.
Bona chekunde kikona 200 ino kikona 200. Tegu.
Pero sasa kama ataparaji hanno.
Hivi nilete mwito na tanuzire kukuna 1200. Jo wenye kopani.
Iga.
Tariganda tunaenda kuchinja siga no.
Yakana mbe yoyo ngamo.
Watakori.
Ile ngokonga.
Bebe ya mwisho ni ile.
Kwa mbi kunili kama.
Kanda kwa sana 900. Aisoya. Na kwanza unaenda ine room mwene nsoke.
Yanko he. Moja.
Tangu re. Afu ni chimprove de. Tatini kuheka nyonera ko toto. Mane nongutuna.
Emukino ndo kwa
Yero. Maha, tigomba turu mujana mararuta nego. Kori ikunamia tukuma no tanene kuri kweno. Timukino kimu.
Na macho haka mono faza.
Ata nara kugogere. Kiro ne hayo su kimotore. Kabisa ne manyiriga ne hetere nani. Ata no rimukia nkete mkwega kwinirigana murabantu bayipali. Noneho. Nite kudurango nani igaki. Lakini narago goyo tena. Tumajicho yeo.
Kento katana kino gicho eha.
Gicho kabisa.
Otaiga. Kia ta yogera so kialete
kutuwa yogera 900. Sumbua ne boss.
Bora mbege kwa.
Hatu ni mie yo mara acha tu ni umie. Kani nimebaki shilingi 200 niongeze ninunue kubwa ya hii. Boss alipasi nikaa here. Takora iko ndugu.
Pamoja no kugoga, unine mbakingia masala. Pamoja no kugoga.
Hivi tunaenda kuchinja tukule leo usiku.
Pamoja kama pamoja no kugoga na wewe uitabiri, leo niko rata kutuchangira hano. Yako hiki.
Tikachinja ngo ni.
Takore. Maisha wao ngacho chivu.
Sawa. Sawa.
Witabiri.
Ege hapo. Kwa bana.
Ege kwa. Ya men kwa ngeri 200 watakomba hungure nene sasa kwa na 200. Kwa sababu na tu mweno atatandro so. Mura. Datenda bwe. Dete nyeu.
Kiatano wacha kwanza hivi. Simama pale hivi kwanza.
Mimi sina shida mimi. Wewe kuja uguru wako ni mzee kuku.
Mura nazina nani mayai yanaanguka.
Datenda bwe.
Mbetanga naye ndakwa vurugu tuna.
Ama her.
Kaka.
Mara tereke ha.
Kiatanga na ikatuma.
Mimi sina shida na
wewe uziwe sasa tu.
Wacha nimfanye biashara mimi siwezi ingilia biashara zenu. Mata kwa theoret. Kureni abantu barayibara agere begot.
Moja 100 chini.
Hata chiza.
Na kaka dogo.
Hamna ndogo hapa.
Eno.
Moja 400.
Na hii
Tunachukua wote au tunachukua moja?
Sasa ni chukua zote.
Interesting ndio messing udozi.
Kama tunachukua sasa wao tunauza pamoja.
Moja 400.
Na unaongea tunamaliza moja kwa moja sisi.
Sasa hebu kuja usikie mimi naongea.
Benito simanji biashara venyu ni ntamu. Uko mburunguru.
Iko hapa.
Kana huhira wiki. Takot. Need to buy this white guys. Right now here. Nataka macho hangu. Mimi naenda kuenda kuchinja.
Unajishika kamera.
Najishika kamera mimi. Ano mkurianda fadha. Yaani ngokora kana mukaya mbaere. Ugunia wanangu tunagongo. Tunaanza wanda. Tunauza kuku. Tunauza kuku na kuchinja.
Inatoa na sauti.
Inatoa na sauti. Wewe kama una simu leo utajiona mtandaoni. Ukini ugiche.
Nataka ni
Nauza ni bei ya jumla. Bei ya jumla ni mia. Usiwezi kuuza.
So this is a buying and selling of hens here, guys. Hey, blessing. Ora mukirera heke mo.
Si kweli?
So kaimu. Nguru.
Ora unaleta kamera hapa?
Sio.
Gamba Kiswahili. Kisha tarambi kumato. Unatawona hiyo. Kumato Kiswahili.
Guys, I'm trying that one that's selling this one here. Okay. And it's supper time.
Ndio mzigo sasa unasema.
Help broken customers. Uh-oh. Look at this. Oh guys, I'm keep waiting and then I supposed to buy some ingredients. You know. Most of Kirindo.
tunaiga chigoro moja 100 kwa 100 na
Namba na shida wote pageni wewe ni pili.
Tuko tamana nao. Indikana nao.
Enongo ifadai kuna tuko tusita utakura maliza. Wotake
Wewe. Sasa si hapo kwani mimi nakuna kwa
I'm still waiting. This is for improved one, for the grade. Ubovu. Mimi nataka kuka kuchinja tu. So This one doesn't have a nice meat. Hey.
Kino chisindikaire sambe waratuna iganguri mbaki bichuchu ebe yimwe. Chari kurumbe atanda mate tanguri eyo pene angere.
Watanguru ebe ni mkiuni kokoguni Mr.
Rambe ngore ndabuteka chonso utuna guri kwa pamoja. Chonso kyo moteka tanguri ambe yo pene kwa ibisindi. Nemukiweroge.
Things went wrong. Right guys. Mama, nifungie nyanya.
Yangapi?
Nafungaje?
Nafunga ina 50, 320.
Funga hizo ina 50. Tomato. Unaambia kitunguu saumu.
Saumu utachukua hapa kwa jirani.
Tia kwanza mura. Ngudi. Temura ngudi chini mura bantu barambukire mura. Iko wapi mama?
Kitunguu yule atakusia.
Kwa juu. Nini ngine ni vitumu. Mama yangu. Hii hapa. Tafuta fresh.
Hata fresh saa hii minerali.
Mama wewe 20 gani? Okay. Nini? Nataka kitunguu saumu unayo? Hii dunia kweli. Mama zako zimekuwa ngapi? 80. Na kichai kata 80 mama. 50. Hii 20. Si yako mlinipo. Okay. In Kenya here guys, you're supposed to buy carrier bag. Nothing for free. Nilituma nini ingine? Picha sio mbaya. Wewe kama unaogopa picha, nijue niende. Nani? Mimi nimekuruhusu nenda ushtaki. Iko chini sai. Mama nipe saumu.
Ingapi?
Kamoja tu. Nikakuweka kwa nyama. Nitaka niko 20. 40.
Ama uchukue. Mbona uongee ukinunua sasa? Ujirekodi.
Sasa mimi sijui vile kinaitwa saumu. Mimi naweza jirekodi kwa na shida. Guys, I have been told to be record myself.
Niko nataka nikubadilishie nikupe hii ndio kubwa.
Moja ni 20 ama 40.
40.
Sawa.
Iwe ndogo iwe kubwa.
Haya.
Haya jirekodi sasa.
Mbona vituko?
Hakuna vituko. Ni business unafanya bwana. Ni biashara.
Sawa, acha niache hapa. Nibadilishe hela nikuje. Tia niche mura. Okay guys, I need to change money to have cash right now. This is how border town looks like, and it's supposed to rain, man. Crazy. This is border town. Crazy. Nimekuja. Nipe 700. Silikuwa 300. Oh. So ona sasa ni. Yesterday I bought some fruits here, so I need to pay money and then to have cash. Okay. Okay guys. Nishapata change.
Nimeshapata change.
Moja.
20 bob. 20 shillings.
Una bei ama ni sababu ya kamera?
No. Sababu ya kamera.
Sawa, nipe tu bora watu wakule.
Sisi tunachotaka watu wale.
Shingapi zote?
Utanipa 60. Zangu ni 60.
Na ndimu?
Nini chenchen?
Acha nichukue tangawizi. Kama una unipe.
Hii ni 50.
Vunja balance ile baki.
Kwa kukufeva.
Sasa hiyo yote nitapeleka wapi?
Tumeacha lemon.
Eh.
Hii ni seriously sawa. Check. Badala ongee.
Na bei.
Mea.
Mimi sina shida, naweza ongea Kisii, naweza ongea Kikuria, naweza ongea Kimasai. Haina shida.
Eh.
Unaweza ongea, njoo ongee. Njoo ongele mama yako sasa. Useme hii ni biashara yetu. Mimi sina shida. Okay guys, I was buying this one.
Huo naongea,
Si mimi naongeaga.
Sawa.
Amuja niona nikipita hivi.
Unaongea.
Sawa, kama una simu utaniona YouTube nikiongea.
Unajiita nani? Unajiita nani?
Hello Baby Official. Hello Baby Official.
Hello? Official.
They want to subscribe to my channel. Hello Baby Official.
Mazo meskiri. Anabeba official.
Anabeba official. Let me show them. Sometime guys. It's crazy in Bora town. Ando ima. Unaweza sogelea karibu alafu ndo sikuenda tap.
Okay. Lazima ungeongea yellow baby. Official.
Ni bebe yote.
Pero baby official.
Hamna fresh nani? Inaitwaje Dania? Sai, hii si fresh mama. Niweke hizi hapo ndani.
Yaani unataka kumjamjia vijana wangu?
Nataka fresh. Hii sasa imekaa siku ngapi?
Siku ngapi?
Ni sawa tuweka.
Yangapi?
Na sukuma. Sukuma, weka ya 10 na sukuma ya 20.
Yes, dunia ni ngapi?
I need to buy kales and also coriander.
Mimi nafanya biashara achana na.
Okay. Mimi sijui vitu zingine nimetumiwa. Nimetumwa nimesahau.
Umesahau vingine?
Maybe
siwangeandika.
Sasa hii ni kazi ya wadada mama. Mimi ninashindwa hata kufuata. Na utaniwekea vitu vingi. So we have bulb and spring onions right here. Hii imetosha man. Siweke nyingi. Nimekupa pesa? Wow. 20. Dania 10, 30. Weka vya 20.
Leta viwili hapa.
Hapa. Hakuna yale makubwa.
Makubwa moja 20 kama hii.
Mama. Sasa si ndio inakuja kurekodi msichana na kataa.
Msichana hajakataa wewe
Okay.
Au ongeza
20, 10, 50. Haya.
Unasema my mama I want to buy.
Nimetosha mama, niweke huko. Mama wewe hata niongeza kitunguu jamaa. Nakuja hadi usiku. Ai mama ongeza ango. Sasa unataka dogo hapo.
Hiyo ndio sasa.
Aya, nipe.
Asante.
Aya mama, asante. Guys, asante means thanks. It's time to go. Unasemaje mama?
Wanasema?
Unaweza jipromotea biashara yako mama.
Hiyo kama inatoka ngapi?
Hii 70 tu.
70 ya Kenya? 70.
Si usiana anasimu atenda gogo.
Mimi naomba 80. Wewe angalau umetoa 10. Afadhali wewe umetoa 10. Wewe alikuwa ameniambia 80.
70, labda 70 ipate kiasi kwa bonus.
Hiyo ni GoPro ama?
Ni GoPro. Sana ijua.
Mko naye?
Hayo masanti, ngoja nipike.
Sasa nyingine upige.
Guys, sometimes it's so crazy. I have the shopping here. Rain is coming. Let's see. Where's my hand? Sami! Nipe kuku. Haya ba.
Content creator. Onesha unabeba
Demana kichwa kigumu. Alafu acha tu.
content creator.
China.
Mimi sasa siko na
Say hello.
Hello. How are you?
Nitakuja mura. Ona tisa yote hii ni lunch. Aya. I have hands here. Small shopping. It's time to go back home. Also, I have helmets. I hold like that way. Let's see. Wewe snake hizo humu ndani. Habari. Nivi useme hello. Sema hello. Okay. Hold for me like this, bro. This is my helmet here. Time to go. Ready? Utanifungia huu box upige solo tape nikienda. Asante. Yo? Unasema nini? Unasema nini? Nakufumua. Okay. There's my baby here. This bike is tall, guys. You'll meet me at home, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, I'm heading home right now. Something looks inside here. Imagine. I have the helmet also for my protective gear. This border town. Oh my god. And the rain is coming. But let's catch up. Border town for you. Some business on trails right here. We go up to home, man. Wow. It's a crazy day. But let's see whether it can make it, you know. Also, a man can try. Let's try, guys. Because it's time to cook for my family. Hey. New machine here, Toyotas. Okay. Slowly, business everywhere. You know. There's a police station right there. So I'm keep moving on. Imagine inside on this bucket of the box, I put hand here. Heading home. Going straight. Okay. That's a couch right there. Guys, thank you so much a million times. But keep supporting me. That's a new heading home. That's a matatu right here. Okay. So guys, today is a special day to me, and my intro starts in Border Town. I see some guy riding a bicycle. See in front of me. What is it? And and I see some excavator right here. Down there, going up that way. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my god. But it's by God grace, man. It's by God grace. Right now I maneuver around with my new bike. Thank you so much, my good people, by keep supporting me. You know, I really appreciate. This is a Muram Road, heading home. Oh, my beautiful people. It's another day, and right here is a dump site. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us. And your son Hello Baby official are outside chasing my dream here. But I have bad road. Let's go. And also guys, there is one of upcoming YouTuber I'm trying to mentor her by the name Felicitas. Go and check her, subscribe. Also, when I'm trying to cook something new, I'm invite her. That's a judge right there. You know, I wanna invite her like on today's vlog. You will see cooking together, guys. You know, let's support each other. And I appreciate because her channel are doing good right now. She was almost 300, guys. Please take her to 500 and then to 1K. You know, slowly guys, no pressure. You know, she was starting from 0. You wanna take her to 300 and then to 500 and then one day 1,000. I do appreciate, guys, because I mentor her, you know. At least one day her family, they wanna put something on table. Even herself, they can eat what they're supposed to eat, you know. There's a shop right here. That's how we go up to home. Imagine there's a transformer there. And from here up to home, also almost 5 posts. But if you didn't have money, you can't apply electricity. But if you have money, anytime you can do what you want to do. You know? Guys, that's my new baby right there. Let's go. Wow. Today's are super calm. You can't tell from other side, but the weather is not, it's not good that much because sometimes it's on a rainy, you know. To the village. And in our village here, people call me Illuminati. Maybe let them talk, but me no time with them. Heading home. Going straight. Kids are coming from school right now. Okay. That's my home village. welcome back to my village. You know, it's a special day to me. And also, I was calling that upcoming YouTuber. I want to do this content together. That's my home. That's my vlogs right there, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see her later. Guys, I'm back home, and I need to put my helmet down because, guys, you always talk to me, oh hello baby, let your mama to have helmet. When the helmet comes from the shop, because when I went to buy this motorbike, it doesn't have the helmet, like the stock, it went off. But the manager told me when the helmet just pull up in the shop, they will send me 2 helmets. But this one here, the helmet which I bought random, you know. That's hello baby fish, you know. Okay, inside here, imagine we have hen here. And also our kitchen is supposed to be there, right there. So every cooking videos I wanna invite Felistas. Probably, you know, ladies know how to cook, adding ingredients. Like yesterday we talked with her, so she sending me some clips for the ingredient, and then I'm just pull up. Mama, come we say hello. That's my mama. Ain't a shida. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am good.
Today we are going to slaughter hen. You turn it up. Don't know kuchinja kuku. You have hen inside there.
Oh.
Open, map. Tuna kuku. Sababu sikuwa na mpira.
Mimi naenda kanisani.
Uhonyore bogis. Mama, the unboxing bar there inside there you have. Oh my God. Mama, open from here. You know these things you are new, and it show you slowly, like that way, man. Okay.
Oh.
Take it out, mama. Nothing special inside. Come, sis. Come. Hey. Put it down, ma'am. That's for 1,400. Hey, the sports, sister. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
You good?
Hey, vice versa. Hey, my sister's killing me. You good? Fine. Fine, you good. Okay, ma'am. And inside here, these are some ingredients. Also, people talk like hello baby, plant kills. Kurianda sa kimiti nini sukuma. Tabla hayuiga. So sa koreso so ni ga ni misukuma nki ko kole na salimu. Eta.
Tega na lente biri no nyabo nyiga giruho tutore hano iba.
Hai. Ta autor hai bunu busa sa wikara.
Oh.
And then guys, time is running.
Sangapi?
Right now, mama, it's 9:38.
Oh,
3:38 p.m. That's 9. So you, when you came from church, you'd find something special.
Aye.
And also, guys, in the morning, I was arranging something like a kitchen, outdoor cooking kitchen. We have the bowl here. It's only to fetch water from other side. Cooking here. You know, we have the pot, we have cooking oil, and also we have firewood. But I see the rain is behaving badly. When it just like rain up, me I will run to the kitchen. Yaboni, could you nipeleke jacket? Yeah, I'm calling my sister's Martha Nyaboni. If you don't know her, I'm giving her this jacket. She's right here. Say hello, my friend.
Hello, my friend.
Subscribe to my brother.
Subscribe to my brother.
Hello, baby.
Hello, babe.
Official.
Official.
And where kwa kiti. Yeah, guys. Today I feel like I will make videos with my vest here. No problem, guys. And if you're watching this video for the first time, guys, please subscribe. Sometimes I do village content live, you know, like cooking. At the same time I'm doing building and construction. I build the toilet right there, guys. Through you support me a lot. And right now I construct the borehole all the way right now here, and technically let's see my mama dream house, guys. You know, by supporting me, guys. Imagine I have the bike. Me, nothing to be hide. You know, I'm chasing my dream step by step. No pressure, no competition. Guys, if I'm doing competition, drop on the sweet comment that, hey, hello baby, you do competition. Oh, it's cold, and that is my muscle. Maybe let me show you guys in case somebody are new here. Imagine we do things like this one here, and then we put tank. Let me show you guys. Maybe somebody joined this video and he or she doesn't know what I'm talking about. Oh, Bruno to the world, say hello. Hey, that's my dog. Wow. Also, guys, through your support, we have tank right here. It has some water, and it's 5,000 liter. This 1, 2, and then on the other side 3. 5,000 liter. Let me show you that water. It's running. Yeah. See, nice. Look, we have water. And also, guys, I renovate my house. We put tiles, everything, you know. Wow. I throw my clothes right there, guys. Don't mind. Somehow my house, it's maybe disorganized. You know, guys. So far so good. After a few minutes, you will see Felicitas on my YouTube channel doing. Like I invite her during cooking videos, and then we do normal videos, guys. I promise her the moment to make like 2, 4, 3, 5 videos, just come, we do the same videos. Maybe I got a new member on my YouTube channel, she doesn't, or he or she doesn't know her, you know, and then on that time you know her on my videos, you subscribe, guys. I share the link. Wow. Hey. Kwani mafuta yaliishi? Ndio mwambie asikupe mafuta mimi sijui kwenye. Guys, I'm trying right there. So water is going inside in the bucket, and then that's my sister right there. Okay. Well, guys, I want to arrange some stones. Also, I will use the bricks. Yaboni! Hey, look, this one. No. This is for the slow attack. Don't fight with my hands. Crazy. Relax here. It's time to slow attack. No one will fight with you. Calm down. You are the special meat for today. Alright, I want to start arranging stones, and I put as a look, you know. Wow, first thing that I'm supposed to do is to lock my bike. Wambia chukua hizi vitu zote apeleke huko. Si utakuna tumie. Na yango za mtoto. Siko sawa? Okay, I take the key. I don't want to make some mistake here. Chukua haina shida. Awango he. Okay, see, that's blessing. Okay, ntoratura hata matafari. Hey, blessing. Or is maybe it's the other cook. So, guys, after these videos, cooking videos, I'll show you some improvement, guys. So, I think ntoregano. Tega buya kare. Pona mbega araja ntonani hiri. Well, let me put this one for the supporters for cooking, but other side I use it as a people can pass there. I don't want to demolish. So, guys, stay tuned. After this video, we will see Felicitas, guys. Boom. Alright, guys. Right now, I arranged this. I don't know whether the pot can be more comfortable. We're supposed to cook here. No. Let me turn it back. It's suitable. One more back. Hey. Okay, like that way. The pot just okay. And then also sufria. In Israel they call sufri. Hey, woo! Something new. Wow. Right here we have cooking oil. Also we have salt. We have knife. We have water. I fetch from the tank. We have hen. Like this is our. Also, actually, will be the part of the supper, guys. Don't mind. I'm cooking for supper time because people have already eaten. So we have kales here. We have coriander. We have ginger. We have carrots. Also, we have it's green pepper. I don't know. And this one here. I don't know, but I know it's onion by the name Kitungu Saumu. Okay. Maybe, okay, this, I think it's garlic. And this one is onion, like bulb onion. So when I'm in border town, guys, I show you the spring onions and also the bulb. This is the bulb one. Wow, wow, super amazing. And right here we have tomatoes. Oh my god, this one is for $1. All of this stuff goes to $2. And the hens I bought around 1,400 Kenyan shillings. That's $14. Wow, guys. So I see Felicitas passing there, so let me wait. Guys, guess who?
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, comment. So today we are doing cooking videos. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm telling you earlier when I'm cooking at home here, you know, ladies know how to cook. And then yesterday you listed down some ingredients and I went to border town, I buy them. So like this one here, I'll cook for supper time because right now at my home everybody eats lunchtime, you know. So this is supper time. Maybe people will ask me, I didn't see you on the table at night. Maybe it depends. But yeah. So you ready? I've already arranged everything. So maybe you can light the fire. Okay guys, we want to share this video. Guys, Felicitas is lighting the fire. So guys, in your hands. Lighting fire. Oh my god. It's okay? Huh? Okay. Remove the matchbox from there. To catch fire. Well guys, this is like best time to cook outside here. Felicitas, did you know that I have new bike? Yes, I watched your video.
Okay, you watched my video.
Yeah.
Like I'm trying to mentor you. When Hell Baby try to make it, why not you?
I will.
You will.
Yeah.
Get this matchbox. It's firewood. So we boil water first. Hey guys, look. And then the smoke is going there. According to our old parents tried to give us some small hint. When you see smoke going that way, means the windy face other side. Okay, Felicitas, put sufria. Put. Yeah, I've already measured everything there. Maybe sufria we push. Put, you see. Oh my god. No. Let me take back. You're putting back in. Yeah. You know, last time we used the blocks, yes. And then the blocks are used to like a small bridge for the blocks. People can step there because we have trench there.
Yeah, I see there.
Okay. We do cooking video, guys. How was your channel?
Actually, it is going good.
How many subscribers do you have?
300.
300?
Yeah.
Guys, please take her to 500 and then next time to 700 and then pull up to 1K. And also, I see your channel are doing good. You get
Yes.
more views.
Yes, actually, I'm getting.
Yeah. Consistency is key. Just put videos every week, you know.
Yeah. That's how you mad. I don't say it's in the
Okay, I'm slaughter the hen, no problem. Me, I was thinking I'm going to look for the iron sheet to put here
Yes.
because of the wind, guys. Look, fire is coming outside. Alright, guys. If you're watching this video, guys, please subscribe to her, and I really appreciate for the love and support. So be careful with that hen. So right now I'm going to look for the we calling iron sheet or zinc, and that being said earlier, iron sheet it's meant from the zinc. We're learning step by step, guys. That's my grandma home, that's my dad's home, but I'm trying to renovate it step by step. Well, guys, so this iron sheet I'm trying to block because fire is going outside and the rain is coming. But anyway, let's see. I'm supposed to put here. This is which. Let me time them. Hey, imagine these are bricks. So first thing, guys, before you slaughter a chicken, you wanna start like boiling water, and as you know, boiling water it's range from the range of 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. There's and technically I think it's 100 degrees Celsius for the boiling water, and for the melting water it's 0 degree automatically, you know. Wow. So Felicitas, did you know like YouTube don't like to show blood? So I want to slaughter off camera, and then when we try to remove the feathers, we show people.
Yes.
Kukana mkama hikukuruwe rigoro. Ukanyandika haruwa hayo. Yeah.
Unatokea hapo.
Hapo.
Hapa hivi.
Wacha kushika limeiva. Haya, tulichenja. There. What do you think? There?
Yes. Sasa, yangu chini.
I think one day I should build a small muddy house for the did you know the grass house?
Yeah.
Traditional one?
Yeah.
Instead of struggling here and there, I'll build maybe somewhere else, and then we do like when I'll invite you to do cooking videos. Like right now, look how the weather behave.
It is like it will rain.
But God help us to finish these videos because raining's coming. We run with rain, guys.
So guys, we are boiling the water. So let me see. Actually, it is ready. You can see.
It's ready?
Yeah.
What? I didn't see bubbles, but I think it's ready because of rain. Just take it out. Or what do you think?
Bring the roaster.
Huh?
Later. Cool.
You put cook down. Sunaka maji chini.
Unaweka kwanza kuparafunisha maji.
Okay. Guys, I don't want to show you some blood. I must be very, very careful because some rules for the these hands right here. Okay, we put on the basin here. Guys, I don't want to show any blood because I know other people don't like blood, to see blood, and YouTube didn't recommend on that. Yeah, be careful for this stuff. Putting what? Well guys, right now the hen is just okay right here. We need like to put them on fire and then to remove some small feathers. So it starts lighting the fire there. No pipe. Sorry. These are the hens here. For my family, they will enjoy, guys. Ready?
Yes.
Take it. So we show people how we do in how we do in traditional way. Yeah. We band them. Oh guys, that's how we burn. Like that way, guys. See you girls. That wants to simmer. You like this. Put on fire first. Like that way, guys. And then guys, I'll show you the process of cutting, guys, so stay tuned. Guys, raining is chasing us from here. We need to cover this. Wow, guys. Look. Right now, rain chases us from here. So take fire, take. No, there's no need to take water. Okay guys, we tried to run out of the outdoor kitchen, so let's go inside. You know, rain guys, look. It's trying to chase us. Woo. Oh my god, I put here water. Look, that's water. Oh my god, going down. So guys, it's raining time here. Oh my god. So it is what it is. Woo. Okay, what next, princess? Oh my god. Let's cook. Alright guys, we're back again because it's raining here, the rain of cat and dog. So we're back again to the roots. You tired? No. Back to the roots of the system. Guys, I'm telling you, it's raining here, so everybody is on jackets. So guys, we struggle to light the fire because let's see how the day go. Me, I can't complain guys, because rain is the sign of a blessing. And hey guys, my baby just right there, blue in color. People recommend on the blue. I know how to choose, guy, you know. So okay, it's ready. Finally guys, it's ready. And guys, that's Felicitas. Check on the YouTube channel. I really appreciate. Yeah, bring that matchbox. I put on my pocket because we only have this in the house. So you can no, you put the moment when it's raining, you put, no problem. Guys, when we went to the kitchen, inside the kitchen, we chop the meats. Guys, oh my god, and then I see next rain is coming. But it is what it is. Let's see these videos, guys, how it's go. Even I cover my hair. Kuna channel style kwa help video ya shule tunaonyesha mboga zikitokota. So Felicitas, she's washing right there. I don't want to show you guys too much. And the fire is coming, boom, guys. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, guys, me, I'm chasing the rain god on the other side. Put Felicitas. Ya tu ringinyo. That is pure meat. We add water. Toring na sani ribat hangan heya again. Guys, it's time to add water. And then there's fire right there. That's pots. Okay, guys. Today is today, guys. Tomorrow's another day, you know. So it's raining here and there. If guys you love cooking videos, drop the sweet comment. Traveling videos, drop guys, sweet comment. But I make sure, guys, if you're watching video from my side, please support Felicitas, guys. I'm trying to mentor her step by step, you know. When my heart feel free, I give people shout out. When my heart doesn't feel free, I don't maybe to give anybody shout out. But most of the videos you see giving people shout out, it's because my heart said for free, give them, you know. But I know for the lazy gang, I don't want to give them shout out. Even you guys, you know, and no time for negativity. Yeah, because right now you are in the bush, you are living in the village, we are full of firewood. Look. Then it's eh? I think it's a clear for this. You, what do you think? You know, we are dealing where the wind is blowing to, we cover with mabati. For sure. Guys, I can't wait to see, like, to test the hen. Yeah? What is going on?
Not hen, it is a roaster.
A roaster. Okay, no clue because we have more ingredients.
So, you know, let me cut the...
Okay, guys. Kana mkama wani kukura hii side eh? Boom! Cooking outside. It's raining time, guys, but we don't want to move. We make sure we make these videos, and guys, maybe you shed tears of this. Maybe cooking like cooking outside, it's raining. Look, even I'm wearing the gumboots here and there. Oh, Felicitas, the fire went off. Guys, we don't want to move. Hard. That's the rain, heavy rain. And we are cooking. Look, even my jackets. Look. But we don't want to move. We make these videos, guys. Please, guys, give the video a like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Soon I want to share with celebrate with you 7K subscriber. Right now I'm remaining with 200 subscribers to go, guys. If I get 5 people share my link to 100 people, boom. We want to move, guys. We make sure that we cook outside. It's raining, guys. You think I'm lying? Look. Wow, and the fire is coming. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Look. Wow. Hey. Guys, right now the meat is ready. You can see even the soup is coming out. Look. Bigger meat. Hey, hey. It's roaster. This head. This is a machine. I don't know. Hey, guys. Hey, top player. me guys, I wonder today. I wonder. It's an incredible story from my village here. Imagine, guys, it's raining, and then we light fire here. It doesn't turn off. Maybe, guys. But it's by God's grace. So you chop?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pepper. Green pepper.
Yeah.
Okay. And you chop into small pieces, alright? Me, I want to see you to be successful in this life. So I'm trying to keep pushing you. Alright?
Yeah.
And then the way I support you, maybe one day you help each other, right?
Yes.
Yeah, guys. Me, I want to see Felicitas, to be honest, succeed in this life. You know, little, you know. Wow. Guys, please, on these videos, take Felicitas to 400 subscribers. Right now, she was celebrating 300 subscribers. Imagine from 000 to 300 subscribers. And I think even you're watching how it keeps growing up.
Actually, it is growing.
Yeah. The more you make videos, the more you get subscriber. Maybe a day like this, you get 5 subscribers. You appreciate little, pole, utafika pale. Guys, only 1,000 subscriber. If you're from my side and you subscribe to my channel, please support her, guys. And then you have coriander. Also we have carrots, green pepper. That's some ingredients, guys. If you are watching my videos in Border Town, I bought. And you know what's Felicitas? When I bought some carrots and also we call garlic.
Yeah.
There's some the seller. She's a woman, and then have her daughter side. Oh, hello. Like, why do you film us? Why do you film our business? I told them, me, I'm just filming I myself buying things. And then she told me, did you do YouTube? I said yes. What's your YouTube channel name? I said Hello Baby Official, and they say, what? I say Hello Baby Official, and then I showed my phone, and then her daughter told her mother that okay, we subscribe to her channel. I have already seen her name. And then her mom tried to say, okay, keep like
Recording.
not recording, to do what? Like to yani kuna ni kutangaza biashara. Advertise. Okay. I said okay, no problem. Me wanna advertise your business, and then I'm not like I don't want maybe to go there to advertise your business. It's the one who me, I'm just a buyer. You are the seller. So you advertise your business on my camera. Why not? Right, guys? Look. I need to wipe my camera. Yes. Okay, guys, stay tuned. I'll show you in the next video.
So guys, I think the meat is ready, so let me fry it. So the heat is garlic and onions, then water. So let me move water. You can see it is how do you call it?
It's already boiled.
Yeah.
Me honest guys. That being said, I'm repeating this. This is an incredible look. Wanted to reach here and then go to other side.
So let me cover it
I think I'll cook
because it is raining.
Yeah.
Can you show me show?
Nini? Hizo zitawaka.
Nimekosha tu ili nimalizie kumalizia kazi.
Well guys, so right now it's bonda bonda.
Siku boda boda.
Means like, but right now we didn't have like mortar and pestle. Like it's to crush. All right.
Yeah.
Why don't you use cooking stick? You have the small one, for instance. Yeah, use this one.
So here is the
So
carrot.
There's
Naongeza kana.
carrot. What's the purpose of adding carrots?
To add
Because they're the part of ingredients.
adding flavor.
Hey guys, drop on the sweet comment. Hello, baby, want to know.
Carrot it has many benefits in inside the body.
Yeah, me guys, I want to know what's the purpose of adding carrots?
To add flavor.
Me, I think it's coriander.
Like when I ask you what is the purpose of tomatoes and onions.
Tomatoes and onions. Like, yeah, it's add flavor, but carrots.
Carrots too is to add.
Guys, I'm so new on this.
Yeah.
I want, like me, I think in my primary education, our teacher, there's one of our science teacher told us, the more you eat carrots direct from the farm, you see far away, like you see clear.
Eyesight.
Eyesight. Yes.
Even in this one. Yeah.
No, this one take to the soup we have already cooked, and then maybe some
Yeah, it is adding flavor and to make the soup to be thick.
soup.
Yeah.
So the importance of carrots maybe is to make soup to be thicker.
Not that one only.
Yes.
Even
We, kuja. So urusichinge bo. Umkiri chambo tokera macho turkiri moto ya macho kia yengo kwa sawa. Leo ni kitoweo kitamu sana. Kama you say hello. Kuja nimseme hello. I see my brother and my cousin came from school. It's raining time. Hey. We tried to cook for the maybe this food would be the part of supper. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, that's my cousin. Say hello.
Hello.
Why don't you get shelter? Why do you come when it's raining here?
Because of time.
Or you have been chased from school?
No.
Okay. Yeah. I know for the ladies right now, they have been taking shelter, but some boys, say it is what it is, let's go. Boom.
so this is coriander. But you bought small one?
Because I didn't have money, you know.
Okay.
I only have on my pocket 1,500. That's $15, and then I remain zero. Hey. Yeah, sometimes I remain in zero. Nothing on my pocket, guys. Okay, guys, I want to see next. Hey.
You can see how it is looking like. You know some people eat tomatoes like this with Dugari.
Yeah, even me, one day I would try.
I mean, it is so sweet.
Like that way, they don't need to eat meat or eggs.
Yeah.
That way I can eat.
So let me add this.
Korea. Okay guys, stay tuned.